What is going on YouTube? It's Sank and we are back with another one. And I'm coming at you guys with a crypto drop. I want to cover off one of the cryptos I put on your radar a couple of days ago that's been making moves upwards. And I'm going to drop a few new cryptos for you guys that I've got on my watch list. But before I kick things off, you guys like to help out the channel by hitting that like button because it keeps the show rolling. Now, the crypto landscape is changing, guys, as we're moving through this bull run. Before, all of these crypto plays were just running up. Now the market's being more selective with which plays it lets move. You guys know we're seeing slowdowns in certain plays like Ethereum, like Bitcoin. So I want to let you guys know what plays I've got on my watch list and why over the next couple of sessions. So if you're into crypto and you're looking to make money moves in the space, I've got you on this one. So let's run the first one. So we're going to kick things off by regrouping on this one. That's Cardano. Now last time we were speaking about this play was last week when they were trading at $1.70. So shout out anyone who jumped onto this one over the last couple of days. That's why I say when it comes to these crypto plays, you're better off sticking to the quality ones. Those that show strength in their technology, vision, credibility, and reputation. Now we're seeing an interesting dynamic shift in the crypto arena. We're seeing the big dogs make room for some smaller players. That's why recently we saw Bitcoin pull back, slow down its momentum, make room for some other alternative crypto plays, including Ethereum. Same things happening with Ethereum. That Ethereum slowdown is making room for other alternative plays like a Cardano. Now, in the crypto space, investors are always going to be looking for the next best thing, the one that's got the leg up. So it's no surprise that Cardano, a play that's got faster transaction times than Ethereum and lower fees, is going to make its breakthrough. Not to mention, we know the parent company's partnered with another company to make moves in Africa as well. So this plays on a run at the moment. That's why you're seeing this one break through. Now, when it comes to the strategy, I always like these plays to cool off before making re-entry. And if we look at the charts, the last time this one broke through, when it was at that $1.30 mark, it bounced up to the $1.70, and there was a couple of opportunities to catch it under $1.60. That's why I say the best strategy, the best move with these crypto plays once they run up is to catch them on the next pullback. Now, to keep it 100 with you guys, I personally don't own any Cardano, but I saw the opportunity last week to catch this one, so I thought I'd let you guys know. Let's jump to the next one. The next one I've got for that's EOS. Now this crypto play is right where you want them to be. At the moment, they're in their consolidation channel between $10 and $11. Now recently we saw this one run up to over $14 off the back of news they're starting a blockchain crypto exchange and they got 10 billion in funding. But as I always say, after the run up in that price, you wait for a cool off, wait for that price to settle before you make entry. So this one's come back down to that consolidation channel. And right now the crypto market is very receptive to positive news. So if this one comes out with any news on this crypto exchange or any other news on any other projects they're working on, it's only a matter of time before you see this one retest those highs of $14 again. So I want to put this one on your radar early before any potential run-ups in these plays. Now the way I would play this one is I would set a stop loss on this below $9, below that support. So if this one moves downwards, it can cash you out early and you can move to the next winning play. Now the way I would play this one is I'd set a stop limit on this one at $9, just under support. Let's move to the next one. The next one I've got, that's Ripple, also known as XRP. Now on the 21st, this one's got a meeting with the SEC to discuss legal matters. Talk of the town is these should end positively. Now this is something to note because in the run up to the 21st, you could see momentum in the price. Could be a buy the rumor type of movement. Even after the 21st, if the news is positive, you could see momentum in the price. So I want to bring this one also to your attention. We also know they're pursuing an IPO. So once the legal situation has cleared, they should be progressing with that. So if they're able to progress these things on this side of the bull run, we could see this one show its momentum. Now this one hit its high this year of $1.84, and off the back of positive news and momentum, they should be able to retest those highs. Alright guys, so we're going to switch up with this one. We've got Dogecoin. Now from time to time, I like to give you guys a game plan update with this one. Now entry price on this one ideally is still below 40 cent, if not 45 cent. Now when Dogecoin has its run-ups, those pullbacks are large. So when we saw this one run up to 40 cent, it pulled back to 20 cent. And when we saw this one run up just recently to over 70 cent, it pulled back to just above 35 cent. So basically, it's just giving away half those gains every time it runs up. Now my expectation with Doge is that after the next major catalyst, to see this one move up to that 80-90 cent mark, then pull back to the 50s before consolidating and resting in the 60s or 70s. So if that all materializes, there's good upside to be made if you guys can catch good entry on this one. Now, because of that underutilization of Doge at the moment, if there are those developments when it comes to the technology and the applications of this one, they could continue to further strengthen their foothold in the crypto arena. So this is just another one that I want to put on your radar. So what I've done with Doge is that I've taken out my original principal investment. So this is a 100% risk-free play for me moving forward. So it's just something for you guys to think about when it comes to risk management on these types of plays. So those are the plays I want to bring to your attention. Now, when you're jumping into these crypto plays, you want to be definitely mindful of the technicals. That is being able to identify basic chart patterns. So aside from your support and your resistance, you want to ensure you've got an understanding of your flags, your ascending, descending triangles, your cup and handles, and your head and shoulders at least. Now, being able to identify those and apply those to the charts, you guys are going to be able to make money and save money in the process. Now, if you guys need a hand identifying any of these chart patterns within the crypto plays, just jump into the Discord and we'll give you guys a hand. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. Now I want to share this one with you guys. So Iris says, I got Polygon when it was 43 cents. So to round up, I want to highlight this one for you guys because it made me think about selling strategy when it comes to these crypto plays. Now, I know a lot of you're in the money on your crypto plays. Take Iris here, he's in 4 times money on his original investment. But you guys got to know, just like stocks, crypto doesn't just go up. We're in the bull run right now, and I've seen crashes, corrections in crypto, and it can get severe. So if you're not a long-term holder, 5-10 years in crypto, and you don't mind a lot of your returns being wiped away from you off the back of a potential crash or correction in crypto, you guys got to start thinking about your selling strategy now early. Now, one way you could do it is you could set a stop limit on your crypto plays, 10%, 15% below the current price, and if that price continues to move up, continue to move up your stop limit so you can maximize the profits on the way up. That's how I would do it. I don't hold crypto plays during crashes or corrections. So that wraps up for this one. If you'd like to help out the channel, do hit the like button, and if you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe. Also, drop me down any comments or questions you have, and I'll catch you on the next one.